Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're all doing good. I'm back today with another haul video, and this time it is a skincare haul, and this will be a specifically Good Vibes haul. And since Good Vibes is kind of available apart from their own website in purple only, so you can consider this as a purple haul as well. So if you're looking at me for the first time, then hi, I'm Ishna and I make beauty, skincare, hauls, fragrance, all sorts of video. If these cater to your interest area, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join this family, and also ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future updates. Now without rambling any further, let's get started. In no particular order, I'm just going to pick a product and talk about it. Okay, so as you know, this is all going to be a Good Vibes haul only, so the products are all Good Vibes. I'm not going to mention Good Vibes again and again. So okay, so the first product is this cucumber gel. The writing is tiny. If you can't see, please excuse. I can't help it. I'll try to give you a sneak peek clearly. But this is a tub for cucumber gel. Now, as the name suggests, cucumber has got cooling properties, anti-inflammatory properties. It helps you fight acne. It's great for oily skin, and that is precisely why I have bought. All my skincare are specific to oily skin because I have oily skin, and that too acne prone skin at times, not all the year, but yes, at specific intervals I have a tendency to break out. So whenever choosing skincare, this is a primary concern, that if it will not trigger my acne in any way. And cucumber has always been very soothing for the skin. It's full of antioxidants. It's overall just good. So I'll quickly show you how the product looks like. It has this safety lid here as well, and when you open it, you get a clear gel here. It's a clear gel. So being a gel, it gets absorbed into the skin very quickly. Yeah, just smells like cucumber or kheera or shosha in Bengali. It will definitely help you fight excessive oil in your skin. So that is what it claims to. I will have to test this out to know whether it does that or not, how far it is good for its claims. But yeah, this is a 50-gram product. The MRP for this is rupees 175, and I bought it something around 158 or something. I'll leave all the pricing details on screen. One side will be MRP, one side will be the discounted price. So yeah, looking forward to use this one. This is supposed to give your skin a glow as well, and also help you fight blemishes. So yeah, looking forward to use this one. Next up, I'm going to talk about this face wash. This is the tea tree face wash, but this is the foaming gel. I've started using this one as well. It came and I just had to try it out. This is great. From the first few usages, I can feel that it feels good on your skin. It cools your skin down. It's tea tree, so it didn't break me out. And after the wash, because it's foam, it's very gentle on the skin, but it clears the impurities, clears the pores as well. So yeah, loved it from the experience. Like, I haven't tested any of these products, but this one I have started to use it, so I can actually give you a review that yeah, this is good. As tea tree has got antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, it is good for anybody with oily skin or acne prone skin. Totally, you can use it if you have either of them or both. So being gentle as well, it's not that it is ineffective. It cleans out the dirt and gunk from your pores and make the clogged pores free from all the impurities, and just makes you feel fresh. So this is a big bottle. This is a 150 ml bottle, and this retails for rupees 215, and I bought it something around rupees 189. I am on a tea tree or a tea drive basically. The next gel is a tea tree gel. It is the same tub packaging with this golden lid. Yeah, it's quite reflective in my camera as well. So if I'm getting a tea tree foaming face wash, I have to get a gel to use after it, because they kind of make a good pair. Since tea tree has got the same properties being anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, I just wanted to follow it up with a gel. I'll quickly show you how the gel looks as well. It also has the protective sheath like the other cucumber gel had. And once I open this up, you have this green colored liquid. I'll give you a sneak peek. See, it's a thick, beautiful green colored gel. And it's kind of a moss green color. Tea tree, yeah, of course, that is how the color looks. And no, I'll do it here. On that hand, I had cucumber smelling. I can't have the same smell and replicate it with the other one. Yeah, this is just the fresh smell of tea tree, and I can see, notice from the first use of both, like the cucumber one got absorbed just a bit faster. This one took some more time, and yeah, the gel in the tea tree is slightly thicker than the others, so I'm assuming, and yeah, it is a bit more nourishing as well. Actually no, I like both. I mean, this is very light, this is light as well, but slightly thicker than the cucumber gel. But yeah, looking forward to use both of them. This is also a 50-gram product and it retails for rupees 175, and on discount I got it at 158. Continuing the tea bandwagon, this is the green tea rejuvenating face mask. Now, masking is very important. At times you need to have a good mask on your face to deeply nourish your skin, take out the impurities and provide the natural nourishment, and green tea is a great component in doing that. Green tea is supposed to rejuvenate your skin, reduce your wrinkles if you have any, fight wrinkles as we are aging and going towards the age when wrinkles start appearing. So it helps you fight wrinkles. It claims to remove blackhead as well as whitehead. It prevents acne, cleans impurities, so everything that I like, but I need to test it out to know. I'll again show the packaging. Every tub has this golden lid and this safety packaging, and when you pull it open, you get this good green colored mask, this thick paste. Yeah, just put it back safely because I have no intention of using it right now. Smells good. Green tea, tea tree, any tea, I just love it. Drinking, applying on face, you name it, I love it. This is also a 50-gram tub, and the marked price for this is rupees 225. However, I got it at rupees 205. And finally, I have got this serum as a free gift. This is the oil serum, tea tree and papaya variant. This is a 10 ml serum that I got. This is a 10 ml serum that I got. This is a basic cardboard packaging. You have some information on the back. And inside you get these two things, a dropper and just a lid, which you are eventually going to open and place this in and use it. Now, I have never used this. This was a free product, so yeah, we'll find out how things work in this one. This claims to help you achieve clear, radiant and happy skin. If you have no acne scars or acne also, your skin will feel happy. So this is what it's supposed to do. It is also supposed to check your serum generation on your skin, which makes you look oily as well. And the papaya adds a glow to your skin. Now, I have used face washes that have papaya in them, so I know it definitely does add a glow to your skin. But I haven't used this tea tree and papaya combination together, hoping that it will be good, because this is called oil control serum, so it is supposed to control your oil. Yeah, let's see how things go. I have used serums from Good Vibes before. I am still using the vitamin C serum from Good Vibes, but yeah, let's see how this fares. Now, this 10 ml bottle retails for rupees 225, but I got it at free. So yeah, looking forward to using all of these, and you might get an update later on how these fares on my skin, or you might see them again in product empties video. But yeah, surely you will get an update how these actually fare on my skin, because whatever I told you are the claims that they have been making for each of these products. So I'll only use it and I'll find out whether how far they are rather true to their claims. So yes, with that we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is first time that I'm doing a haul in skincare completely. If you enjoyed watching this, please take a moment to hit the like button, share it with your friends, comment in the comment section if you have used any of these products or you plan to buy any of these products, and we can share our experiences and thoughts together in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future updates. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.